One of the easiest way to protect your Samsung phone battery is to put all unused apps to sleep. So you don't necessarily need to delete or uninstall this application on your Samsung phone. All you just need to do is instruct your Samsung phone to put this app to sleep automatically. And whenever you want to use this app, you can just rig them yourself by clicking or opening the application. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to put unused app to sleep on Samsung Galaxy phone. To do this, all you need to do is go to your Samsung phone settings. Now scroll down and click on battery. Then click on background usage limits. Now locate put unused app to sleep and toggle on this. Then all unused app will put to sleep and limit battery usage for the app that you don't use often. However, if you tap never auto sleep app, these apps will never be auto sleep on your Samsung phone because these are some of the most commonly used application on almost all Android devices. So if you found this really helpful on how to put unused application on sleep on Samsung phone, you want to hit like button and do not forget to subscribe to the YouTube channel so that when I drop a new insightful videos just like this on Samsung and iPhone, you'll be notified.